Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Today, we are going to understand something that powers almost everything around you. Electricity. You use it every day to charge your phone, to turn on lights, to run your devices. But what is it? And how does it actually work? Let's explain it simply. Electricity is a form of energy. It comes from the movement of tiny particles called electrons. Electrons exist inside atoms, and when they move, they create electrical energy. Think of it like water flowing through a pipe. When water moves, it creates flow. Electricity works in a similar way, but instead of water, it is electrons moving through a material, usually a wire. This flow of electrons is called electric current. And when current flows, it can power things. Lights, motors, screens. Now let's go deeper. For electricity to flow, it needs a path. This path is called a circuit. Circuit is simply a loop. Electricity can travel from a source through a device and back. If the circuit is broken, electricity stops. That is why switches work. Turn off a switch, you break the circuit, and the electricity stops flowing. Now let's talk about the source. Where does electricity come from? It can be generated in many ways. Power plants, batteries, the solar panels, all of these create the movement of electrons. For example, a battery stores chemical energy and converts it into electrical energy. When you connect a device, the electrons begin to flow. Now let's understand voltage. Voltage is the force that pushes electrons. Think of it like pressure. The higher the voltage, the stronger the push. This determines how much energy moves through the circuit. Now, current. Current is how much electricity is flowing. It tells you how many electrons are moving. So voltage pushes and current flows. Together, they create electrical power. Now, resistance. Resistance is what slows electricity down. Every material resists the flow of electrons, some more than others. Materials like copper allow electricity to flow easily, while others resist it. Resistance is important because it controls how electricity behaves. Now, let's connect everything. Electricity is the movement of electrons. Voltage pushes them. Current is the flow. resistance controls it, and circuits guide the path. This is the basic system. Now, think about this. When you turn on a light, electricity flows through the wire into the bulb, and the energy is converted into light. And heat energy is always being transformed from one form to another. Now, let's slow down. Electricity is everywhere. In your home, in your devices, in entire cities. It powers communication, transportation, and technology, but it all comes from something very small. Electrons moving. Now, take a moment and imagine every time you press a button or flip a switch, you are controlling the movement of energy instantly across invisible pathways. Now, let's review slowly. Electricity is energy. It comes from moving electrons. It flows through circuits. Voltage pushes, current flows, resistance controls, and energy transforms into useful forms. These simple ideas explain something incredibly powerful, because electricity is one of the foundations of modern life. Take a slow breath and realize something so small is responsible for so much. We will gently return to the beginning. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.